whānau. Well, this is our Tawhero Kura. I think class
Year 3, 4.
year 3 and 4. And what have we done today?
We made pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup, kapai, kamokamo soup. From there, Mahi, come over here and I'll show you what you fellas did.
Yeah.
So our kids extracted all of our seeds from here, eh? And we grew these over in the mara. And you fellas put all the seeds there. Hey, and then come with me. Put it here.
Yeah. Come on.
Here's the seeds.
I'm recording it.
Oh, in a line, guys.
Okay, Wayne. So hang on, be careful, very, very hot. What we then did at Te Wānau is we start boiling these and we take out the soup. Be extra careful, please. Lovely and warm on a cold day. And then we made the soup in the corner. But a big mi'i to you all. Our kids are very curious. They like the heat. But a big mi'i to Tawhero Kura for coming to make our lunch today. Ka pai tēnā. And mea tuki te wānau. Tēnā koutou e te wānau.
Yeah.